What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a player picker. So if you want to make a player picker for your minigame things to choose whoever gets to be the killer or something. So first we're going to enter a script into service, get rid of the front hello world. You're going to wait a bit because you gotta have the players load in. And then we're going to make a number variable. Local num equals math.random 1, and then the number of game.players, and then get the children. So it'll get how many other players there are. It'll get the number of players because that number will get it. And then we'll just print that game players get children, and then in square brackets you'll put num because it'll go to that player. Now I'm just gonna play it with one person, so obviously it's gonna pick me, but if you did do it, it would pick one at random. See, it picked me, Parallaxox. But if you did have more players, it would pick someone else. If you want to try it, I know it'll work. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.